Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. My name is Muhammad Rafi Alfiansyah. This my video, we can make the setting DHCP server. And what is DHCP? DHCP is short for the dynamic. DHCP is short for dynamic host configuration protocol, and is the client-server protocol used to assign an IP address to the client computer or network device automatically. Okay, and before that we can open Winbox to make this connect this MikroTik. And before that we can make this static, and then we can make this DHCP. And in the first we can add for the address, and in address for the plugin for the cable in Ether2. For example, this IP 192.168.10.1/24, and the interface is connect on plugin in the router board. You can apply and OK, and then we can this setting for the PC VPC, and select this change adapter option, click right, and this for the Ethernet we can click and properties, click right, and double click for the Ethernet protocol version 4 TCP/IP4, and this repeat for example this network for 10 192.168 and 10 network 10, and we can add for the IP 192.168.10 for example for the anything number, and we cannot this make for the one. For example, we make this number 5, we can subnet, and this default gateway this IP router board 192.168.10 and 1, and this the DNS server this IP Google, and we can OK, this OK, we can close, and next step we can ping for the what is for the sure for the connect in router board and PC. You can ping 192.168 and 10 and 5 IP network is the PC. Okay, you can see this connected and successful, and we can search for the PC in the command prompt and check this ping 192.168.10 and 1, this IP in the router board. Can enter, can this reply for the successful in the connect, and we can next step we can connect it for the before that we can make this DHCP server for the router, and in the first we can open for the setting in this network and internet setting, and this we can select this just other option. We can properties, click right properties and select this internet protocol version 4 or TCP/IP, and we can select or click in the obtain and IP address automatically in the in this uh, for the DHCP server, and can okay this okay, and we can check this IP in the ping for example, and this timeout because we set for the DHCP and we what is oh yeah, this not yet to make DHCP server. And in the first, we can select this IP and select this DHCP server IP and select this DHCP server. In this menu for the DHCP server, we can add in the DHCP. I'm sorry, this mistake. This menu DHCP server IP DHCP server, and we can select this DHCP setup, and this wizard we can continue for the setting. We can DHCP server interface for the Ether2. Okay, next this Ether2 in the master IP for some IP or the master IP. We can next, and this DHCP address space in this network 192.168 this network in the 10 and 0 and the slash 24. We can next this gateway for the router board this 192.168.10 and 1. We can next address to give out this limitation in the IP for this 192.168.10 and 2 in the start IP in the for the what 2 IP number 2, and this less for the IP 20 for the less in the IP 254 this IP. Okay, next this DHCP server we can add for the IP Google 8.8.8.8 and 8.8 and 4.4. We can next list time in the what is automatically for the restart for the refresh IP. For example we can what we can cap for the IP for example 192.168.10 and 5 maybe, and this time in the refresh for the example in and before 5 in the IP, and then we can cap IP for the 10 maybe. Yes, we can next setup has completed successful. We can OK, and we can check this network. For the network, click this change adapter option, and we can select this click right in the property in this Ethernet change click this internet protocol version 4 or TCP/IP and this okay, we can check these properties the status, this detail, and for that we can for the tips in the disable and we can enable. For the refresh we can check the status and detail. Okay, look at this. We kept for the IP 192.168.10 and 25 and 4 IP. Can close. Okay, we can check this, can reconnect, refresh. Okay, this password and we can ping this IP. We can check this detail 192.168.10 and 25 and 4. We can select this new terminal in the ping 192.168.10 and 25 and 4. Okay, look at this. This IP in connected for the router. This router connected for the IP the PC. Before that we can done this make in the DHCP server and this releases. Okay, look at this IP router IP client in this 192.168.10 and 25 and 4. Okay, maybe this is my video. Thank you for attachment. Happy good day. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.